Google just made one of the best AI video tools on the planet completely free, and almost nobody's talking about it. Not a trial, not a watered down version, the real thing. I'm talking full AI videos with sound, with motion in under a minute for $0. And there isn't just one way to do this, there's actually three. So stick with me for the next few minutes because once you see this, you're going to understand exactly why so many people are sleeping on it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, so let me back up for a second because if you haven't heard of VO3, here's the short version. It's Google's AI video model, and right now it's genuinely one of the best ones that exists. You type a sentence describing a scene and it hands you back a real video clip. Motion, lighting, sometimes even sound in about 50 seconds. Think about that for a second. A year ago, that same clip would have needed a camera, a location, someone to film it, and probably a full day of your time. Now, it's one sentence and less than a minute. That alone should be enough to grab your attention. But here's the part that's really flying under the radar. You don't actually have to pay for any of it if you know where to look. The first way to get access is through Google's own tool called Flow. You just search for it, sign in with your Google account, click through the setup, and you're in. And here's the number that actually matters. Flow gives you 50 free credits every single day, not once, every single day. When you break that down, that's enough to make somewhere around 90 videos a month, completely free. That's not some tiny trial, that's real usage. Inside Flow, you can also switch between different video models depending on what you need, speed or quality. And there's a small trick worth knowing here too. Before you spend credits on a full video, you can generate a storyboard first, basically an image preview of what your video is going to look like. That lets you check the look and fix your prompt before you actually spend the credits on the real video. That's the kind of detail that tells you Google actually built this thing to be used properly, not just thrown out there to get headlines. Now, let me paint you a picture, because a prompt is one thing, but seeing what it can actually produce is another. Say you write something like this: a clean modern office where a small team is using AI tools to run their business, charts going up, a calm and in control feeling to the whole scene. You hit generate, you wait under a minute, and what comes back looks like something a professional video team would have charged you real money for. I'm not exaggerating, that's just where this technology is at right now, and it's not only text to video either. Flow also lets you animate a still image. So say you've got a logo or a photo, you upload it, you describe how you want it to move, glowing, floating forward, whatever fits, and it turns that still image into a moving clip. A picture that was sitting still 10 minutes ago is now a video, not long ago that would have needed an entire animation team to pull off. And here's the thing that really surprises people. That whole office scene I just described only used about 15 of your 50 daily credits. So even after making something that looks that polished, you've still got plenty left over to keep testing different ideas, different prompts, different angles, all in the same day, all for free. People assume free means you get 1 or 2 attempts and that's it. But you've actually got room to experiment properly. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, Flow isn't the only door into this. Google also built VO3 directly into a separate tool called Vids. Same idea, you sign in with your Google account, and right there in the side menu, you've got the video tool sitting ready to go with the same 2 options: create straight from text or animate an existing image. It's a slightly different interface, but it's the exact same underlying model, and it's just as free. Then there's a third option: And this one's worth knowing because it works a little differently. There's a platform called Snapgen AI that gives you access to video free for text to video generation at 0 credits. You sign up, you connect your Google account, and you can generate clips without spending a single cent. The one thing to know is it's text to video only on the free tier. If you try to animate an image on there, it's going to ask you to pay. But for straight text prompts, that's about as free as it gets. So when you put all three of these together, you've basically got no excuse left to not be making videos right now. One gives you 50 credits a day and covers both text and image. Another gives you the exact same model built straight into a tool you probably already have access to through your Google account. And the third gives you unlimited free text to video generation with 0 credits spent. Here's the bigger point I want you to actually sit with though. A year ago, making a video like this took real time, real equipment, and usually real money. Now it takes under a minute from your phone or your laptop for free. That's how fast this space is moving right now, and it's genuinely one of the biggest shifts I've seen since I started paying attention to AI tools. And I'll tell you the pattern I keep seeing over and over. The people who actually open these tools and try them the week they hear about them are the ones who end up way ahead 6 months from now. Everyone else waits, tells themselves they'll get to it eventually, and by the time they finally do, everyone else has already figured it out and moved on to the next thing. These free windows never stay wide open forever either. Tools like this tend to tighten up their free limits once enough people start using them, so the earlier you're in, the more you get out of it. Think about how many businesses out there are still paying real money for basic video content, or worse, just not making video content at all, because it feels like too much hassle. Every single one of those excuses just got a lot weaker. You don't need a camera, you don't need a studio, and you don't need to know how to edit. You just need a clear sentence describing what you want, and a tool like Veo Free does the rest for you, for free, right now, today. So don't just watch this and scroll to the next video. Go pick one of these three, Flow, Vids, or Snapgen, and go make an actual video today. It costs you nothing but a few minutes, and it's going to show you exactly how far this technology has actually come. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.